And I need to bounce. I need to go out. Nigeria. Good morning guys, or good afternoon, because it's past 12. And yeah, I know it's been long. We did a live in Portharcourt vlog, so yeah, hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It is your baby girl Mama Dyna Ekwueme in the building. Anyway, I feel like this vlog is going to be an exciting one. The weather has changed so much. The weather has changed. I need to bounce. I need to go out. See, why am I looking all pink and that? See, today is Valerie's birthday. If you're new to my channel, Valerie is my best friend's first issue. Her daughter, it's her birthday today. She's turning 3, the big 3. Oh my days. Happy birthday, Valerie. If you are watching this, you are blessed, you are favored, and long life, prosperity. You're gonna be a blessing to your family. You're gonna be a blessing to your generation. And yeah, we are going. See, I'm late. I need to bounce. I'm going to her school because Utibe, her birthday fell on a school day, so they're celebrating it in school for her. I'm taking only my mama because some Jachi is still in school and it's about to rain. It's about to rain. Let's go. Let's go. A lot is gonna happen in this vlog, but I just said let me do a quick intro before we, move. You get me? So stay tuned and yeah.
Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? Nowhere to go, so far from home. Is this what giving up feels like? I don't know, I don't know. Tell me, have I lost my mind? So I break these walls and hold my head up high. As the rain falls down, there's no more tears to cry, tears to cry. So I break these walls and hold my head up high. No, I'm not giving in. No, I'm not giving in. No, I'm not.
Good morning guys, good morning. It is Friday the 28th of October. I have a lot of things going on. See, I'm meant to go do my hair. I actually am not do my hair. My hairstylist is at home. I literally just passed her, but I have a lot of things to settle. I have to pick up an item that has been at GIG for the longest time. See me taking one wheel. See me taking one wheel. It's been at GIG for the longest time and I decided to go pick it up. I'm here already. I am here. How do I park? I'm here already. So I just want to pick up my item. See, this is fast becoming my signature cap. This is fast becoming my, let me turn off this. This is fast becoming my signature cap. This thing used to hit my bumper. That thing behind. Like I was saying, this is fast. I look crusty. I haven't showered. I just said let me come out and do this because once I go back in, it's not going to be possible. My sister is already in Nigeria with my brother. Their flight to Portharcourt is by 2. They'll be landing here by 4. And yeah, let's see how today is gonna be. But I'm currently at GIG and I just want to pick up, no problem, I just want to pick up I don't even know, I've ordered like 4 things since last week. I don't even know what's here, but we're gonna unbox it together in this vlog. Like I was saying, my sister and my brother, they are currently in Lagos airport. They've already landed from Ghana, but their flight to Portharcourt is not until 2 p.m. As I'm going back home, I need to go take off my nails. Winifred is already in the house. She's starting with my mom, and then she would do me. But anyway, guys, I'm seeing today as it's gonna be a very, 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 very busy day. I don't know why it looks swollen. Maybe because I'm just waking up from sleep. I just don't understand. But yeah, let's move. Oh my god, I look like an old woman. This is giving olden days Igbo hairstyle. This is giving Mama Nkechi, Mama Nkechi's village. But I wanted to do something simple, see, I've woken this boy up. He hasn't even slept. Why am I disturbing this beautiful soul? I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. This boy no they disturb me. Like, out of all my babies, at least at this stage, I don't want to start saying and then it will jinx. At this stage, he's the most unproblematic. Anyway, I wanted to unbox this. Like I said, I ordered a lot of things, but I feel like it's my mic. See, I know that my other mic, not this Boya one, my favorite mic, the very first mic that I ever got as a YouTuber, like that mic has been with me for 6 good years. And fam, I'm just saddened. I'm saddened that I'm losing it. Like, it has really lasted, and I can't seem to find that exact Boya type. Like, is this short type that I don't know, but Boya, you guys need to bring back that mic. That mic was the VVIP. But anyway, guys, my siblings are in Nigeria now. My mom has gone to the airport to pick my brother and my sister, and oh my god, like I know I saw my sister, like I said, in Abuja already, but then I'm just so excited. I haven't seen my brother like in years. It's been 4 years now. I haven't set eyes on him. You guys haven't even seen this one. So yeah, I know I'm late to the party. Like, I'm literally the last influencer to get my own Rode mic. But the way people carry this mic about, I used to think with the way it was small and all, that is cheap. Like, you people have money. Even YouTubers that just started yesterday, they are really investing in this mic. So I'm like, what are you even looking for YouTube? Where people are ballers? Where people are ballers? Like, I looked at the price, I was like, what? And I got the dual channel wireless microphone, you know, the one that has 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, which means that 2 persons can actually use the mic. And yeah, I just had to close my eye like this. This mic, it cleared my savings. I don't know how you people are doing it, but people seamlessly buy these things. I people now start pressuring, putting pressure. I said I was never going to get this mic because the first time I asked for one of it, I knew how much they told me. It was around 120 something thousand around that time. This was like last year. I've been at 2 years ago. This was the time Tayo Aina came to Portharcourt. Mine's here now, and yeah, I feel like it's gonna be, see, I'm good with gadgets, so I'll probably be holding this. I'll probably still have this in the next 5 years. So this is the cord and every other extra wiring that it comes with. Oh, they were nice enough to give me something to store it with. It has this pouch that it comes with, and then it's got a wind blocker. Look, the pack is empty. Just look at how the someone wants to talk. Look at how they packaged it. So I feel like, oh, all of them came with windbreakers. Like, if you're in a very windy place, you can actually use this to block off background noise. So these are the 2 transmitters, I think, and this is the receiver. this thing ain't cheap, so I'm gonna cherish it for the rest of my life. But yeah, finally Mama Dyna has joined the Rode mic gang. You get me? But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be testing it maybe in the next scene to see what's good, what's up. Wow, I just love the feel of this, man. I now can boast of a mic, a good mic. So now I can be interviewing people, right? Without having, see, I love this boya. Like, this boya it's actually served me since I got it. But the problem is that you have to start putting wires here and there, batteries, and when the battery dies and you don't know, or you're not aware that the battery has died, you're just gonna be talking and rambling without knowing. It's embarrassing. So yeah, this, I have to be buying batteries every now and then, because I don't know, it doesn't give you signal when it wants to give up on you. But with this one, I think it will be blinking red whenever, you know, the battery is about to die. Oh yeah, come and say hi. Say hi. Oh, Putu boy, you like to be in my videos, Say hi. My baby will be 4 months next weekend. Say hi. Say hi to them. Say hi. Yes. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I have to run along. Whenever my siblings are here, obviously I'm gonna keep you guys updated. So yeah. So basically, guys, I don't know if you guys can see. If I remove this wire now, it will stop working. I don't know if you guys can roughly see the screen of this thing. So it's showing me that 2 is connected, and as you can see, as I'm talking, it's moving. It's showing me the intensity of the sounds I'm making. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. And the fact that I have 2 of the transmitter, it means that our work just began. Our work just starts. Our work just began. This is lovely, highly recommended if you have the money. If you don't have the money, just they use what they use it, because share with me in the comments how you think the quality is, you know, the quality of the sound that I'm making. How is it? Would you buy? If you have the money, would you not? Let me know. This is not a sponsored post. This is just me being excited that I've had to, you know, literally just change mic. Shaking now.
Girl in my bag. I name a video of Nigeria. Hi guys, it's your girl. I tell you boy, you guys know that anytime I come up like this is always fuck I get late. Yeah, now.
Say hi. Apparently, we've been here debating real and fake. Apparently, I bought apparently, so many things. See, just shine your eyes inside this Nigeria. If you see your twin, I bought the fake cocoa. I was rejoicing that, oh, this was on sales. You know, I bought it for almost half the price. I was just saying a lot of things, not knowing that there is so many differences, so many. Even just men looking at it, you know which one is real. The blue one is my sister's own, and the white is the one I ordered. You can see slight differences, even just by appearance and all. But anyway, guys, just shine your eyes, even the weight. Shine your eyes inside this Nigeria. I say, if you see your twin,
This one I get blue lights, no effort.
So literally, this girl, She's spending how many days here? Just look at the arrangement as if she's moving into this house. Can you explain what's what's this one for? Okay, this is perfume. What is this one?
Perfume.
What is this one?
Perfume.
Ha! What is this one?
My facial serum.
I know these things are not cheap, Abby. Omo, it's as if this girl is coming to move into the house. Just 4 days, oh. This is 4 days. 4 days.
When I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side.
Hello, guys.
My soul might touch the ground. I need someone to hold my mind. I need someone to hold my mind.
I never traded you for nothing. You make me love my
When I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side.